and researchers.
I've seen it twice on color, and I think it was just even more spectacular, the whole experience.
अकबर आसिफ अपने वालिद की ख्वाहिश को मुकम्मल करने के लिए एक लंबे अरसे तक कोशिश करते हैं और फिर उनकी मेहनत रंग लाती है। पूरी दुनिया रंगीन मुगल आजम का नजारा करती है। डायरेक्टर के आसिफ का बेटा अकबर आसिफ अपने वालिद की छोड़ी हुई इस अजीम जायदाद को एक नई दुनिया में ले आता है और अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए वो हमारे जमाने के सबसे अजीम आर्टिस्ट एमएफ हुसैन साहब के पास जाता है।
This is in itself is a visual treat. The way K. Asif, the great director, has visualized. It is almost like doing a painting. That's why I was attracted towards it, because it is visually strong.
You know, my father approached him wanting to pursue an idea of creating a series of paintings dedicated to the film. And Hussain Saab told the story beautifully through his extravagant artwork.
My father created history half a century ago with Mughal Azam, and now my brother, Akbar Asif's idea combines with Hussain Saab. Talent has created history again.
MF Hussain, of course, is way beyond a legend also, where an artist is concerned, and him joining hands with an even bigger legendary movie like Mughal Azam it's only too precious for our country, for our culture. So thank you, Mr. MF Hussain, for bringing Mughal Azam on canvas.
अकबर आसिफ की अकीदत, हुसैन की मोहब्बत अब ख्वाब की शानदार ताबीर बन जाती है। मुग़ल आज़म का एक एक सीन स्क्रीन से निकलकर कैनवस पर उभरता है।
Hussain Saab's intense talent and love for Mughal Azam has brought this tale to life. From vibrant colors he used to the dialogues in Urdu flowing across the painting is just simply perfect.
such a film, come to existence once in a century.
It's been honorable to have such a magnificent artist recreate history.
Whatever Mr. Akbar Asif is doing to keep Mughal-e-Azam alive, first by coloring it, and second by having Mr. M.F. Hussain actually paint from the film, is amazing because he's keeping his father's legacy alive.
The passion runs in the family. And I'm sure it must be a very proud moment for him as a son, and I congratulate him.
I love my country, I love India. It's a great country. And in this film, they try to show that grandeur and that power which this unique country reflects.
तो आइए, आज मैं आपको इस रंगीन दुनिया की सैर करवाता हूं, वो तस्वीर दिखाता हूं जिसका तस्वर के आसिफ ने किया था और जिसमें नए रंग एम.एफ. हुसैन ने भर दिए हैं। मैं पेश करता हूं मुग़ल-ए-आज़म।
It's a film that just keeps getting better and better with age, and I hope it will continue to remain a permanent reminder that the most impossible dreams can come true.
I truly believe it's one of the finest films that has come out of Indian cinema. I mean, as a student of cinema, I have learned so much from K. Asif's Mughal-e-Azam.
Mughal-e-Azam एक फिल्म ही नहीं बल्कि एक क्लासिक है. It's an epic. It's एक statement है. It's a film that I think our cinema is proud of.
Mughal-e-Azam is one film which reiterates what love ideally should be: unconditional and completely passionate and completely about loving someone without ever expecting anything in return.
I would just wait time and over again to see Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya.
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की, प्यार किया।
आज भी याद है मुझे जब वो शॉट आता था कि चारों तरफ है उसका नज़ारा और एक रिफ्लेक्शन शॉट लेते थे जहाँ पर लाखों इमेजेस जो हैं वो शीशे में दिखाई देती थी उनकी। तो बिल्कुल अनचित्त तालियां बजती थी वो शॉट देखकर।
It's a work of art. It's like a monument that one preserves, and I don't think that a film like this can ever be remade.
No, Mughal-e-Azam can't be remade. It just can't.
We have better cameras, we have more money, we have a bigger audience and all of that. But I think the heart of Mughal-e-Azam and the soul of Mughal-e-Azam was made only once, and you cannot recreate that.
To create such a film, I think K. Asif has to come back to this world, and nobody else can create that.